Hey, hello, hi guys. Actually, this is another video from Python Dev Group. So this is belongs to wireless sensor network uh, paper. So actually, it's a paper B. They're talking like wireless sensor network protocol with fuzzy multiple criteria clustering and bio-inspired energy efficient routing. So actually, this is regarding talking about already have so many proposed system like this system will be there. So let me go to this walkthrough of this entire paper. This is almost 34 pages will be there in this research paper. Like our algorithm one will be there and some figure plots, equations, and a lot of flow chart also there. So on the further performance plot, so many steps will be there in this paper, right? Actually, I use this our application in you do this Python Dev Pro application. I just generate this code and just simply copied, and I just paste it on a notepad collab. So I will go to the beginning of the code. So each and every code I directly commented and well documented. So this is what I just pasted, copied from our application to here. So sysabin matplot. So ensure the plot is available. So everything the same code only I just copy and pasted, and I run this collab notebook. So I got the results in the collab notebook. Yeah. So this is what I'm getting the results. Even this is almost 90% exact results matching from the paper. If you could compare this paper with the existing one, right? This is what it is. Comparison of sixth one. This is comparison of consumed energy among the existing routing technique. Same thing, we can get number of nodes versus energy consumptions. Okay. So similarly, figure 7, you will get the output. The algorithms also implemented in the code. We are checking the code. Figure 8. So this is a throughput output. This also there in the same exact paper. Now this is a figure 8, right? So this is a end-to-end delay and the number of nodes. So end-to-end delay and the number of nodes also we are getting the exact results. So this also latency and the number of nodes. Okay, here also we are getting. So whatever this paper, right? We are everything we are getting the almost 80 to 95% exact results. It's generated due to using our Python Dev Pro applications. See, and it's given some comment on the who is the author belongs. So using this application, I will just it's generate like only 10 to 15 minutes to generate a code, and it's a give a perfect output us. So kindly please explore this application and for your use, and you can try to generate the application. Yeah, this is what guys. Thank you so much.